Hi, thanks for joining me. On my quest of enjoying my life in my 50s, one of the things that I realized was that I do not want to spend a lot of time on things that are purely functional tasks. I wanted to be more efficient with my time so that I could move on to the things I want to do. And when I was moving, I started making notes on the things that I experienced because I knew one day I was planning to do this video. I always moved with boxes or the plastic bins of different sizes. I did not know that there were moving bags, and I thought, what a great idea. This is a 6 pack of extra large moving bags with zippers. And they also have carrying handles. The nice thing about it is that they lay flat when you do not need to use them, but look at the amount of space in this bag. That is a lot of room, especially for something that is so portable. I am able to put a fair amount of items into this bag. These cushions are actually, the first cushion is very large. Then there's a smaller cushion now I've put in there, but there's still room to place more items in this bag. And the nice thing is that because it has the zipper, it will keep whatever is inside of it clean, especially when you're moving things that may be bedding, or it could be plush toys or stuffed animals, that type of thing that you would like to protect from getting dirty. And you can put your clothing in there. You could put hats if you had hats that you wanted to place in these moving bags. The bags are certainly large enough to be able to place things like hats in there. You could fit quite a lot of clothing in these storage bags. And I like the fact that it has the handles on either side so that it's easy to pull, whether you're pulling from the left or the right, the carrying straps, and you're able to fill them. And then when you're finished, fold them flat and place them away. Or if you prefer, you could use them once you've moved to store items in. I know someone that is a seamstress and she has a lot of fabric, and these would be great for storing her fabric in. Thanks for joining me, and see you soon.